So example 4, so suppose that a Boeing 747 is flying over Orlando headed due south at 552 miles per hour. 20 minutes later, an F-16 passes over Orlando with the bearing of north 37 degrees to the east at a speed of 1,250 miles per hour. Find the distance between the two planes 3 hours after the F-16 passes over Orlando. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. All right, so let's draw a sketch of this. So I'm just going to use this whole slide pretty much, well, for my sketch. So here's Orlando. Okay, right there in the center. So we have this, what did they say? It was an Boeing 747 flying due south. So we're going to go south for 20 minutes, right? How far did he travel so far? Well, he's traveling 552 miles per hour, and he went for 20 minutes. So 552 times 20 out of 60? What is that? Say it again. 184? So you traveled 184 miles right here. I'm actually going to write that right here. Okay, at that time, the F-16 is passing over Orlando, and it's going north 37 degrees to the east. So from the north, he's going 37 degrees to the east. It says find the distance between the two planes 3 hours after that F-16 passed over Orlando. So just talking about here, how far did that guy travel in 3 hours? Good, because you took the 1250 per hour for 3 hours, correct? Now, remember the amount we have on our plane that's going south there was only for that 20 minutes, right? But now they wanted to know 3 hours later, so we're going to extend, we're going to go another, we're going to go 3 hours past that amount. So how far did he travel? 552 miles per hour for 3 hours, which is what number?
1,656.
So how much did he travel total this way? What is that distance? Everybody okay? And now we want to know the distance between the two planes. So I want to know that side. So if you need to, just kind of redraw. Let's see, I have two sides. Can I find that angle between them? Because if I can, then I can use the law of cosines. Can I find this angle right here, which is this angle right there? Well, we know a straight line has how many degrees? 180, right? And so if I subtract out that 37, tells me this little angle right there, or I guess it's not so little, is 143 degrees. So I know this angle then is 143 degrees. So to find that distance, we know that distance squared is equal to the other two sides squared being added together. minus 2 times those other two sides multiplied together times cosine of the angle between them. And don't forget to take the square root. All right, so we got 5,335.66, which means rounded to the nearest tenth is 5,335.7 miles.